7 Grand Prix in the 2018 MotoGP season are set to be shortened in distance, Autosport has learned. This decision has been taken following suggestions by some riders in the Safety Commission, where discussions over excessive race lengths had been taking place. 9 Moto2 races and 7 Moto3 races will also be reduced in length in order to make scheduling easier for race organizers. On the MotoGP side, the 7 rounds losing laps will be Austin, Jerez, Le Mans, Barcelona, Brno, Misano and Valencia. Most will be reduced by just 1 lap, although Jerez will lose 2 and Valencia 3. This reorganization takes place a year before the arrival of the FIM Moto-E World Cup for electric bikes. Its calendar will include between 4 and 6 rounds, all of them in Europe. The new championship will make Sunday event schedules even more packed, as it is expected that these races, most of which will be 8 laps, will take place before the start of MotoGP at 1400 local time. MotoGP race length changes: race 2017 distance, 2018 distance, Austin 21 laps, 20 laps, Jerez 27 laps, 25 laps, Le Mans 28 laps, 27 laps, Barcelona 25 laps, 24 laps, Brno 22 laps, 21 laps, Misano 28 laps, 27 laps, Valencia 30 laps, 27 laps. Share this article on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, email.